Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show thatte idli, which is very famous in Karnataka, especially in Bangalore. For this we have to take 3 cups of rice, 1 cup of urad dal and half cup of sabudana. We have to wash it properly and soak it for 6 to 7 hours. I have used this cup for the measurement. So I have washed it properly. I am going to soak this for 6 to 7 hours. Here I have added little bit of methi, that is fenugreek seeds in the urad dal, and then this is rice and sabudana mixture. This is I am going to soak. Here you can see how nicely the urad dal is soaked. Now I am going to grind it. Here I have taken half cup of poha before grinding and soak it for 10 minutes. Then this will add in rice mixture and will make into paste. Here I have grinded the urad dal. It should be light and fluffy. For the fluffiness we have to check like this. See, it's floating. So that means this is the correct consistency. Now we are going to grind rice mixture. While grinding the rice mixture, we have to add the poha which we soaked for 10 minutes. The rice batter also should be very fine. Now what I am doing is I am going to add this urad dal mixture into this rice mixture and grind it for 3 to 4 minutes. Instead of mixing with hand, it is better to use mixer grinder for combining these two batters. At this stage add a little bit of salt for easy fermentation. Since this is winter season, it is very difficult for the fermentation, so it's better to add very little bit of salt. So finally our batter is ready for fermentation. Now I am going to ferment it overnight. If you have oven, you can keep this batter into the oven for easy fermentation. Here you can see how nicely our batter got fermented. Here for making thatte idli, we have to pour very little water in the rice cooker, and in a bowl also we have to take very little water. And then here we have to grease this plate. Whatever the plate you have in a circle shape, you can take it, grease the plate, pour the batter and place it into the idli cooker. Here we have to be very careful while placing the plate. Now I will close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Here my idli is cooked. Now I am going to demold it. Here you can see how soft the idli came. It's too hot, I am unable to touch.